benevolence in the community is what we started with today. And in the khutbah, if you recall, we say Sahaba, they all came together and they categorized themselves into how many categories? 5. The first category, do you remember who belongs to the first category? Who? Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali. The second category. The second, Khalid. Somebody said Abu Hurairah. That's nice. May Allah bless him. But Amr ibn al-As, Abu Ubaidah, Khalid ibn al-Walid. The third category, Abdullah ibn Umar, may Allah bless him, the one who said Aisha and give him Jannah, but she is not in this category. Abu Darda, may Allah give him Jannah and Salsabil in it, but he doesn't belong to this group. Okay, the young boys, I want y'all to capture because you don't have extra bail to pay. The first group will never disturb the second, and the second will never disturb the third, and the third will never disturb the fourth, and all of them with great harmony. This is how they move with the deen. So let's say something is going wrong. The third group will never even attempt to advise in the presence of the last group, the group of Abu Darda and Abu Dharr, because that's their what? Responsibility. And also the second group will not give fatwa, even though they are educated enough to give fatwa, but they leave it to the group of Mu'adh, the group of Abdullah ibn Umar, and the group of Abdullah ibn Abbas, and all of them believe that there is no way for them to succeed and excel unless they are together as one community. So if one group is missing, they are in great trouble and great danger. That's how they understood the deen. And through this, they were able to conquer. They were able to capture the hearts of people, and they were able to rule the world. Is that how we have our community set up today? Is that how we have it? No. Hello? No. That's how we have it? Even he is in the back seat, but he wants to be the driver. He get nothing to do with hadith, but one day he say, hey, hold on, man, let me take the turban of hadith and talk about it. He get nothing to do with fatwa, but he would say, you know what, where is my turban? I can give fatwa too. But that's not how Sahaba, divided the responsibility. And with this, Allah blessed them so much, they were able to impact these societies, and they were able to travel to change lives.
وقد وفق الله الكريم بمنه لإكمالها حسن ميمونة الجيلة ولكنها تبغي من الناس كفءها أخا ثقتي يعفو ويوضي تجملا.